You're like summer in the shade, like a sip of lemonade, and I love the taste. Oh, I love the taste. You're the only songbird sing like a love.
Today's a day of celebration. A celebration of love, friendship, family, and a lifelong promise. We're gathered here to witness and celebrate the union of Lucas and Haley.
Wildflower, give you every minute of every hour, dancing though.
Haley and Lucas have known each other most of their lives. They met as kids thanks to their parents being friends and grew up down the street from each other in the small town of Loganville. At one point, Lucas even babysat Haley and her siblings. Over the years, they remained friends. And it wasn't until about 7 years ago that they became interested in each other as more than that.
He said, dude, you remember Haley Stelgy, right? Yes, dude. Why, what's up? He's like, well, you know, like I used to babysit her and shit when we were younger. She's gotten pretty hot, man. Do you think it'd be weird? My response back to him was nothing more than, absolutely, it'd be weird.
I first met Haley my freshman year of college at cheerleading practice. I first met Lucas at a cheerleading competition my sophomore year of college. I have loved watching you two grow as a couple together over the years, and I'm especially grateful to have been able to tag along for some very memorable moments.
After a few years of dating, they moved to their first apartment in Madison with their dog Caliber. Finally, after 5 years together, in October of 2020, Lucas proposed at the Sky High Apple Orchard on a beautiful fall day like today. They purchased their first home in 2021, and 1 year later, in the midst of wedding planning, they welcomed their beautiful son, Roman.
You won't believe it, and strange as it sounds, extraordinary magic follows you around, and the camera won't see it in the mirror. If I say look behind you, you
You look so handsome.
Your turn.
I see it.
Looks great.
Where I do, I see
You look good too. Look at you.
Right?
magic.
Oh, I love you.
Oh, better look good.
Out of thin air, you
I carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I am never without it. Anywhere I go, you go, my dear. And whatever is done by only me is your doing, my darling. Here is the root of the root, and the bud of the bud, and the sky of a tree called life, whichever grows higher than soul can hope or mind can hide. And this is the wonder that's keeping the stars apart. I carry your heart, I carry it in my heart.
in you. I know that miracles happen. Who cares what they say?
When I first met you, I knew that I had come home at last. Home after wandering, home after long puzzled searching, home after long being windborne. I was walking and talking and laughing easily at last, and the air was softer, and the sound were sharper, the colors were brighter, and the sky was higher.
So I'll keep my
Lucas, do you take Haley to be your wife?
I do.
Haley, do you take Lucas to be your husband?
I do.
I promise from this day forward to be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection. To be patient with you and with myself. To fill my life with adventure and our home with laughter. To inspire you to grow as an individual and to love you unconditionally.
By the power vested in me by openministry.com. For the low price of $34.99, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I met you in the sun, saw my plans come undone, 'cause I knew you were the one. So
Obviously, the real reason we're here tonight is to celebrate two crazy kids who grew up just down the street from each other in a little town called Loganville.
in the day I met you, I think I met my
Obviously, I'm talking about Lucas and I.
kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know
Haley, you look beautiful today. The smile on your face, bright in the room. The way you looked at Lucas with the love in your eyes. I'm pretty sure you'll take good care of him. And Roman.
yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, be with you tonight. You
Too big of talking in front of a whole lot of people, so I asked around for a whole bunch of advice. And the best piece of advice that I got was not to make it last much longer than the groom can in bed. So it's been fun.
don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know
I could not be more excited for what this next chapter has in store for this amazing couple, so we can all celebrate together and officially toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Gudenschwager. I love you guys.
yeah, be with you tonight. Be
Very proud of the man you become, the father you are, and the husband you will be. Love you.
No, we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight.
May the only ups and downs in your relationship come between the sheets. Love you guys.
Hey, be with you tonight. Hey, with you tonight. Just be with you tonight.